Resetting radio code in your Acura is very easy. It can be very frustrating if you don't know what to do. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how to locate the radio code so you can get your radio working again. In most cases, the radio code can be found in the glove box. Look in the manual and see if you can find anything that has the radio security code for your vehicle. Also look inside the glove box or on the side if there is any sticker with the code on it. So to look for the code, I'm going to open the glove box and see if there is any sticker anywhere. This is the manual, so I don't see anything. Sometimes it's on the side, this side, and on the other side too, but I don't see any code anywhere. So I'm gonna just open my manual. So in my manual case, I can see this thing, anti-theft radio code, and that's the code. I'm just covering it up, but the code is there. So when you have your code, simply enter the code. For example, if your code is 1234, so 1234, and then the radio will start working. If you can't find the code anywhere, then this is what you have to do. I will make sure the radio is off. I will also make sure the engine key is turned off too. Now I will press and hold number 1 and number 6 button and push the power button at the same time. The screen will show me two codes. One starts with U and the second one starts with L. I will write down these two codes on a piece of paper. After getting the U and L codes, I will go on the website radio-navicode.honda.com, and for Acura, radio-navicode.acura.com. Then I will click on Get Code. Here I will fill out this form like VIN number, zip code, email address. So in the serial number field, I will enter the U and L codes. I will not use the U and L letters, only the numbers. For example, my U number is U1234, so I will just write down 1234, and my L number was 5678, so I will write down 5678. And then after filling out all this information, I will hit submit, and I will get my actual radio code in the email that I will use to unlock the radio. Please note this website is for vehicles registered in the US only. If you live outside the United States, you need to call the local Honda or Acura dealer. Tell them the U and L codes, and they should be able to provide you the radio security code that you just need to enter in the radio to get it working again. I have entered my code, and you can see that this radio is working now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos.